In this tutorial, I am using the MEX 6675 thermocouple temperature sensor with Arduino Uno, displaying real-time reading on an OLED screen and triggering a buzzer alarm when the temperature exceeds a defined range. This system is perfect for industrial monitoring, solder stations, ovens, and safety alert applications. So let's build it step by step. For this project, we will require the following components: Arduino Uno, MEX 6675 industrial temperature sensor, SSD 1306 OLED display, buzzer module, breadboard, and some jumper wires. Most sensors panic after 125 degrees C, but not this one. The MEX 6675 work with a K-type thermocouple, meaning it can measure from 0 degrees C all the way up to 1024 degrees C. It gives reading with a 0.25 degrees C resolution. So you don't just get rough number like around 300 degrees C, you get precise values like 301.75 degrees C. That's why it is commonly used in industrial temperature monitoring, DIV soldering stations, ovens and grills, safety alarm systems. The MEX 6675 communicates with a microcontroller using SPI communication protocol. It consists of 5 pins: VCC, ground, SCK, CS, and S0. Connect the VCC pin of the MEX 6675 with 5V on the Arduino, ground pin with ground pin, SCK pin to D13 pin, CS pin to D10, S0 pin to D12 pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the SSD 1306 with 3.3V, ground pin to ground, SDA pin to A4 pin, and SCL pin to A5 pin on the Arduino. Connect the VCC pin of the buzzer module with 5V pin on the Arduino, ground pin with ground pin, and signal pin with D5 pin on the Arduino. Now install the required libraries. Upload the code to the Arduino Uno. Alright, the circuit is powered up and the code is already uploaded. Now the real fun begins. Look at this. The OLED is showing a real-time temperature reading coming straight from the MEX 6675 sensor, which is basically room temperature. Now I am gently heating up the thermocouple. The temperature is rising smoothly. No fluctuations, super stable. That's the beauty of SPI communication. The buzzer is now on because we set our safe limit in the code. The moment temperature crossed that range, the system triggered the alarm. Now I am removing the heat source. Buzzer off. Perfect. This thin wire right here is the actual thermocouple. It can survive extreme temperature. And the MEX 6675 convert its tiny voltage signals into accurate digital data for Arduino. So in just a few seconds, we successfully monitored temperature live, displayed it clearly on the OLED, and tested our automatic buzzer alert system. Alright guys, the temperature monitor with MAX 6675 OLED display and buzzer alert is working perfectly. If you enjoyed this tutorial, hit like, subscribe and press the bell for more Arduino and electronic projects. Code and circuit diagram are in the description. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.